All right, guys, we are very excited for you to be here with us today on this special occasion. Why is it a special occasion?
Give me your hand.
December 1st.
Shake
the
it.
first day of December.
Shake his hand.
Hey, can I shake your hand?
I
want to shake your
hand.
hand.
We are hands-on right now.
I gotta hand it to you. You guys really look good today.
Hey, this is handatory, okay? Let's do this.
This video is all hands on deck.
Ow!
Oh, the elbow.
Just look at that. Just look at that right there. Ew.
Just let it happen, Aaron. Just let it happen.
Why is it on the wrong hand?
Let me think about this.
And then you do
Hey, Nigel, slap Carlos.
Come here, boy.
It looks just like his hand.
Oh, this is my strong
This is how wrong
hand.
it is.
Oh, it's so good! Hey, Braille. Good news. I've seen into the future of skateboarding technology, and it's awesome. In the future, grip tape will be made with artificial intelligence and nanotechnology. This way, the grip will grab your feet when you want it to.
Oh!
Release when you need it to, and even push off from your feet as well to give you a little extra pop, spin, scoop, or whatever else you need. Bad news, this all came to me in a dream and I don't have any of the skills to make this a reality. But I hope you're as excited for the future now as I am. Can you imagine that? An artificial intelligent grip tape that would grip when you want it to and not when you don't want it to, and flick when pop when
These
you
are
need.
freakishly realistic. It's kind of creepy.
They are. You open up this while I finish reading this letter here. Consolation prize. Because I can't deliver on the future, I decided to participate in your You Make It, We Skate It series. Sadly, there's no AI or nanotech involved, but there are a bunch of hands involved. That's got to count for something. What in the world?
We've caught them red-handed.
That wasn't funny. This definitely isn't going to be one of those indestructible boards you've come across in the
Oh,
past.
thank goodness.
There are a lot of tiny screws holding the grip tape in place, which probably weakened the board a fair amount. The stickers on the bottom may hide the massacre, but that's about it. Let's see the stickers on the bottom. Oh, wow.
Yeah, I was actually gonna say, it looks like
Blah,
a
blah, blah.
Finally, in lieu of any shout outs for Instagram or YouTube, I'd like to give you a shout out to the First Try Foundation. Instead of buying more for yourself or for people who already have plenty, let's donate to great causes like this that spread the joy of skateboarding who
that's
already
the guy
know
that messaged
to
me on
more people.
Instagram.
Let's go!
High five, dude.
Let's go!
was-
Wow, so realistic. Link to the First Try Foundation in the description below. You guys are awesome, 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 and we're spreading skateboarding all over the world by giving kids in need skateboards.
Hey, hand me that.
Is this sponsored by Allstate? Because we're in good hands.
Oh, there you go.
He's on fire today.
You are a handful, Fetty.
Who's got some trucks for me? Artificially intelligent trucks, though.
You guys should play Rochambeau with the little hands.
Come on, let's go, darling. Come on, let's go. Come on.
Need a hand.
Don't do
Need a hand?
Oh! I hate this, dude!
Oh, why is it so realistic?
Look at that frozen looks.
It looks sort of real.
It's real.
I don't think it's gross at all.
Horrible thing I've ever seen.
Hey, son, you got something in your hair right there. Let me just go ahead and get it for you. Get that right there. Let me just pull this down and just get on up in
I can handle it. I can handle it.
Yeah, shake your hand now.
Oh my god!
Oh my god. Guys, stop. Please.
Stop! I hate that. No!
Can you scratch my back?
Yeah, get right up in there. You want it right there. Hold this for you right there.
Hold it.
Just hold it for you. There we go.
It's free.
What? Worked!
Little hand game of skate, and you can only use those.
Oh, Kobe.
That board looks like a handful.
Oh, tray flip.
17 hours later, the trucks are finally assembled. Been waiting a long time for this.
Oh!
Fill it out. You guys need a hand? Happy holidays, everybody.
Like Bigfoot or the lizard man,
You know what's weird
the
about
dog
this
man.
is-
It's on the left side of the screen. Wait, no, give me that back. I'm getting POV shots. This is the best video we've ever made. All right, Carlos, you gonna do a handstand finger flip?
I think I can handle it.
I'll give him a hand.
Thank goodness it's not like a foot toe one. That would be disgusting.
Yo, can I take you out? Because I really want to get them digits.
Oh, wait. Oh, this is Phil. Dude, feels like 17 babies are just holding onto my finger for hope. Oh, hey,
It's a Fetty mini hand.
It's like handception. Eddie, let me see this.
Here, you gotta look at this
Big
one.
hand, little hand.
Okay, go ahead.
What in the world are you wearing on your feet?
What are you? Where
It was
do
raining.
You get these shoes?
They're Vans.
And why does he have like 12 jackets?
Because I'm
all
prepared for the elements. You do not. This morning it was a monsoon.
Oh my god. This feels so awkward. This
It
feels
is
so
artificial intelligent grip tape.
Everybody, give him a hand.
Oh no, he trifled off the paint.
He went hard in the paint.
Oh wow. It does feel so weird and nice at the same time. We're gonna play a game of skate or what? Or is that what we do all the time? So we want to just do as many tricks as we can.
Ah, that was so awkward.
Wow, this is heavy. Every varial flip I've done today has been first try, but so bad. Let me get one more. First try!
shove it.
I'm fading. I'm about to pass out. I need to
Did you not
sit.
see that ankle?
I need to sit down.
Oh, it's so weird. It grips your fingers.
Wow.
Okay.
Oh, you know they're not falling off, and I'm legitimately surprised.
They're screwed on there.
Oh, they're all screwed on
Yeah,
there?
they're not like.
That's why it's heavier.
Oh.
That's why it's heavier.
It's like deceiving. Like you don't think it would work, and it works.
What? What was that?
You ready? Right here, first try. You ready? I'll get him next time.
Oh god, that makes it so awkward. Oh good, dude, the fingers throw me off.
What? The world? The fingers throw me off.
It's like padding for your feet.
The hands are grabbing the ledge.
Right here.
Oh no!
It's like that movie Carrie all of a sudden, man, jeez.
Wow. Just when you don't think he's gonna land it, he lands it perfectly.
That is hands down the hardest video ever. Whoa, okay.
I'm gonna do an Instagram post right now. Leave your hand puns in the comments below. See what we get.
No.
Give me the hand off.
Wow, that was like your best line ever. Good job.
Oh, it's so weird. Whoa! What in the world?
One finger flip.
Maxwell says this can come in handy.
Hold on, one more trick.
Ken 1897 says, I have to hand it to you guys. I love your content. It's Danica says, what your hands look like after trying to do a 900 for 12 hours straight.
To the stairs.
We'll land this. Transition to the stairs. We call it a video.
That was very nice.
It's like, I don't know which hands are bigger, Carlos's or these.
Oh.
Impressive.
In the arms of the angel, fly away.
It perfectly cups your Adam's apple.
Does it?
We're gonna get a finger flip ender for this here video.
Yeah, boy! The world's first hand flip on the fingerboard.
Everybody, give him a hand.
Everybody, clap your hands.
All right, Notification Squad, leave it in the comments below. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and have shared this video. And then I want you to guess how many fingers are on this skateboard. We will choose the best comment and we will send you a Braille prize package. Let's go. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the absolute best. If you have an idea to send us for a You Make It, We Skate It skateboard, email us, skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. We would love to see a picture of what you got. So again, we want each and every single one of you guys to learn how to skateboard. Every single thing that we do here is for the purpose of getting more people into skateboarding. So if you have not started skateboarding, get started, get a skateboard. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. We have every single thing there that you need to get started. So go there and let's have fun teaching you how to learn to skate. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and check out all the other videos in the playlist. All right, guys, we're super, super excited about the holiday special. Click the link in the description below and go find out what it is.